Extensions allow adding new functionalities and capabilities to the FlexRule platform, enhancing the default capabilities. This means by installing new extensions, a new toolbox or function will be available in the designer. These are some of the available extensions. Extension Manager is available to install, uninstall, or update extensions as necessary. This is one of the default sample projects, Supplier Assessment. For this project, it is required to install the Robotic extension using the Extension Manager. First, let's see how to install the extension. Click on Tools, Extension Manager. This is the Extension Manager window. Under the tab of Online Repository, you can see the list of available extensions and their latest version, as well as the status. FlexRule.extensions.robotics is the extension we need for this project. So select it and click the Install button. When the extension is installed successfully, we can see the status of the extension as installed, and we can find it under the tab Installed Locally. To uninstall an extension, again, let's find in Tools, Extension Manager, click on the tab Installed Locally. Select the extension you want to uninstall, click the Uninstall button. Now the selected extension is uninstalled. Now let's view the installed extension toolbox. This is one of the default sample projects, Google Search. For this project, it is required to use the installed extension, Robotics Process Automation. Go to Project Properties. Click on the Extensions tab. Make sure you tick Robotics Process Automation and click OK. Then you can find the selected toolbox, which in this case is Robotics Process Automation Tools in the main toolbox. Want to get started? Visit our resource hub for more information.